Baka kaya pa. Kaya pang bawiin po. Sino po? 3 oras lang, 2 lang, 1 lang. Sino po?
Love is patient. Love is kind.
Mahal ko, I can't believe we made it this far. After so many years of being in a long-distance relationship.
Finally, this is it. Whew! We made it. Hindi sapat yung salitang salamat sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa relationship natin. Sa tagal natin na LDRs, so walang sawang ipunan para magkita tayo. At magkasama tayo habang buhay.
You are the most kind, humble, and hardworking man I know. You've made me feel loved and comfortable right from the beginning. God heard my prayers when I asked for a good man.
It's you I get to choose for all my life. Oh.
I love you, anak. I love you so much. Nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo.
Andito lang si Mami. Yeah.
Salamat sa pagpapalaki sa amin. Thankful ako na kayo naging magulang ko ni Papa.
Hindi ako magiging ganito kung hindi dahil sa iyo. Lahat naman ng wisdom and love na meron ako. Galing sa iyo.
Baby, ikaw ang pinaka-baby ko at salamat sa Diyos at lumaki ka ganyan, nagmana sa akin. At best wishes and congratulations sa inyo ni Joseph. Love you.
Again, thank you for sacrificing so much for us. Sobrang appreciate ko lahat yun. For me, that's the best gift I received sa buhay ko.
I vow to love you even though you annoy me sometimes. I vow to be your forever passenger princess and bring good vibes.
You guys are gonna use it. You can put it on your phone. I tried to check. Yeah, it fits.
Oh, I didn't see this!
Yes! Not a plastic bag!
Thank you, Red!
When is my wedding day?
It's your wedding day!
It's your wedding day! It's your wedding day!
It's your wedding day!
Hindi, ganito. Ikot. Yeah!
And when we reach the end, it will be worth it. It's you
Parmangas. Ayun, okay na.
Napakagwapong anak ko talaga, Diyos.
Kayang wala pag nag-asawa ka na.
Sa wakas. Congrats. Finally.
Happy ka ba, tita?
Oo. Sobra.
The moment I saw you in school at the young age of 10 years old, something drew me to you. It was your fair skin and your brown hair. 10-year-old me would not believe if I told her that she would end up marrying her childhood crush.
I love you so much and soon to be my Mrs. Arenas. Finally, natupad na yung matagal mong pangarap. Promise ko is babawi ako sa iyo. Promise ko, ipaparamdam ko lahat ng maganda at ibibigay ko lahat ng best sa mundong to para sa iyo.
I vow to be a good wife to you. I vow to love you through ups and downs. I vow to be here for you to support you with your dreams and aspirations.
Thank you sa blessings!
And I suppose
promise ko sa'yo na hindi ako susuko na bigay ang pinakamagandang buhay para sa'yo at para sa future family natin.
I vow to build our future family and home on the foundation of our love. And I vow to submit myself to you as I do to the Lord. I love you so much and I can't wait to spend the rest of my everydays with you.